Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the wood. This keeps the work safe and prevents finish damage. First, clear paint or wood fibers around the nail head with a utility knife or small chisel so you can seat a tool. Once done, tap around the head with a hammer to loosen the nail. This makes extraction easier. Make sure to place a thin shim or scrap wood beside the head now. It protects the surface when you pry and gives you leverage without denting the piece. You seat a claw, pry bar, or cat's paw under the exposed head, then place a scrap block between the tool and the wood to act as a fulcrum and protect the surface. Apply steady pressure while rocking the tool back and forth. This reduces the risk of the nail snapping. If the head bends, switch to pulling with locking pliers on the shank for a straight pull. Make sure to back the nail out in short increments so fibers separate cleanly and the hole stays tidy. You complete the repair by countersinking or cleaning the hole and filling with matching wood filler or a wooden plug, then sand flush and refinish to blend. If a nail is rusted or the head breaks off, apply penetrating oil and weight, or grind the head flush and use a screw extractor or locking pliers on the shank. If the nail still won't budge, drill a small hole beside the shank and use a slide hammer or extractor. Make sure to work slowly so you don't split the wood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.